Now, this is how much YouTube paid me for 200,000 views as a small YouTuber. So guys, have you ever wondered how much YouTubers earn from their videos? When they are telling you YouTube pays, YouTube pays, YouTube pays, have you ever wondered how much they earn? Don't worry, in this video I'll be sharing with you how much YouTube paid me for 200,000 views. One of my videos, just one of my videos, exploded, and that video went viral with over almost 200,000 views. It's currently at 197,000 views as I'm making this video, and it is still growing and growing and growing. So in this video I'll be spilling the tea on how much I've earned from that video, and if this sounds like something you'd want to find out about, please keep on watching this video till the end. Don't skip any part of this video because you'll be needing them. But before we dive right into it, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that now. Hit the subscribe button. I beg you in the name of God, hit the subscribe button. Like this video so that this video would reach other interested viewers, because this is not just me sharing how much YouTube has paid me. This will also serve as an encouragement to you out there second guessing yourself if you should start YouTube. Don't wait for anyone. Don't let anything hold you back. Start YouTube now. Please don't forget to share this video. Drop your comments in the comment section. Now, enough of the talk. Let us jump right into my YouTube analytics to see how this video has performed so far and everything there is to know about this video, including the revenue, which I'm sure you want to know. So I'm just going to start my screen record and let's see the video. So this is the video how I cleared my acne using two products. So as at when this screen record was made, this was the total amount of views the video has gotten, 197.7 thousand views. This video has given me watch time hours of 6.1k, and I've gotten 1.8k subscribers from this video. Now let's move over to the audience retention. The average view duration of this video is 1 minute 51 seconds, giving it 27.7%. Now what I've noticed here is that the more this video goes viral, lesser the view retention. When I first uploaded this video, the average retention was about 3 minutes, and this video is a 6 minutes video, but now it has reduced to almost 2 minutes. Now let's move over to the reach of this video. This video has an impression of 2.7 million. Like, do you know what that means? Well, for those who don't know, impression simply means how many times YouTube has shown your thumbnail to viewers. That is just how often your video has been displayed on people's screen. So it could be in your search results, recommendation, or home feed. This video also has an impression click-through rate of 6.3%. Now this impression click-through rate simply means how many times viewers clicked on your video. So there is impression, which is how many times your video pops on people's feed or timeline or search bar, whatever. And then there is click-through rate, which is how many times people click to watch your video when it pops on their screen. So this shows how important your click-through rate is. Always make sure you have a very catchy, enticing thumbnail and title, because this is basically what click-through rate is about. So if YouTube keeps recommending your video, people need to keep clicking on it so that you get views. If no one clicks, you're not going to get views. So invest in your thumbnails, invest in your titles. They are very important. Then unique viewers is basically how many people have actually viewed my video. This is just an estimate of the number of people that have watched that video. Now, this is different from views. Views is the total number of views that video has gotten, if that makes sense. Like one person can watch the video for like 5 to 6 times. That person has given me 6 views or 5 views. But the unique viewers now is the individual or individuals that have given me the views. So it's more like the person, while the views is the number of times the person has watched the video. Moving on to how viewers find this video since published. They found it through browse features, suggested features, other YouTube features, blah, 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 blah. Not needed. Now let's look at the audience statistics. This video has given me 10,000 returning watch viewers, meaning that 10,000 people have watched this video and have come back to watch my other videos. Thank you guys so much. Now let's look at the age of the viewers. I'm explaining this bit by bit because all these information determines how much YouTube is going to pay you per 1,000 views. As you can see, this video has been watched literally by all the age groups, 13 to 17, 18 to 24, and the rest. Even 65 years and above have seen this video. Now let's look at the gender. Male and female have watched this video. Now let's look at the top geographies, meaning the countries that have watched this video more. We have Nigeria, we have Ghana, and we have South Africa. From the countries, you can already tell have an idea, for people that are conversant with all these things, you already have an idea of how my RPM is going to look like. Now, one major factor that determines how much YouTube is going to pay you is the countries that watch your videos. Now, if your videos are watched by first world countries like USA, Canada, UK, and the rest, your pay per 1,000 views is going to be higher. Another factor that determines how much you're going to earn is your niche. Now, different niches have different estimated payments. We are sharing all here for that discussion. If you want me to talk more on that, let me know in the comment section. Now, let's look at the watch time hours from subscribers. This shows that people that haven't subscribed to this channel watch this video. They watched this video very well and they did not subscribe. Like a whooping 99.9% did not subscribe after watching this video. That's a lot. Now is the time you'll be waiting for, the revenue. This video has given me a total amount of $176.31. Now let's see the RPM of this video. This video has an RPM of 90 cents, not even up to $1 per 1,000 views. This is my lowest RPM ever from all my videos. You know, when this video was actually blowing up, I was so mad because I was like, why this particular video with this low RPM? I have other videos that have given me up to $4, $5 per 1,000 view. Why is it this one that has a very low RPM, the one that is blowing up? But anyway, I was still grateful because this video gave me lots of subscribers, gave me lots of visibility. So despite the low RPM, I'm still grateful. Like, I never imagined I would get a viral video, like one video would actually give me this number of views. So for those who don't know what RPM is basically how much you are going to earn from 1,000 views. Now, YouTube pays per 1,000 views. So how it's calculated is that you're going to divide your total views by 1,000, then multiply it by your RPM. So that basically means if your RPM is high, your money is going to be high. If your RPM is low, your money is going to be low too. Now, how much are advertisers willing to pay for 1,000 views? $2.54. So advertisers pay $2.54 for this video, which is also low because of the factors I mentioned earlier, the countries I get views from, and my niche also. So here it is. So honestly, I just wish this video had a higher RPM. Like, even if it was $2 or $3, I would have made a whole lot of money from this video. But regardless, I am still super grateful. To convert this money to naira, it will be about 200,000 naira. Let me do the math. This video has made me 286,000 naira. I'm grateful, although the RPM is low, but I'm still grateful that I've been able to earn something off YouTube. And you know the beautiful part about YouTube, every day I wake up, I check my YouTube analytics, my money has increased. I earn money every day, even if it is 1 cent, which is not possible anyway. In this Lagos, in this Nigeria, you have to do like this before you earn 286,000 naira. And I just earned that from one video. Stay consistent. Don't lose focus. Don't lose hope, and your time would come. If you've watched this video to this point, don't forget to like, share, drop comments, subscribe to join this wonderful family. And until I see you on my next one, guys, have a wonderful week. Bye.